CJ, what is your strategies right now? What are you focused on? Is it fix and flipping, wholesaling? What are you doing right now?
Our strategy from the get-go was cash flow and buy and hold. So we were always looking for that stream of income that can replace my W-2's income. And when we found a system that worked well, we followed it through and enhanced on it and became experts in. And particularly in this buy and hold strategy, I've adopted into the BRRR strategy, the buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. And I did a lot of that to scale my portfolio on the single family and the small multifamily side. And when we got to a point of having a large portfolio, I noticed my wife was getting overwhelmed. And the cool thing is when you get really good at something, you can start to see other areas you can take it and implement it that maybe you've never tried before. And the confidence is backed by the experience. So with that experience in the residential space, we found success now in commercial. We've scaled into commercial real estate investing in a form of retail, strip mall, office space, medical space, and we implement the same strategy, but now on a larger scale.
With that, you said your wife has gotten a little overwhelmed. Have you had to expand your team?
Yes, we've expanded our team and we adjusted our portfolio. So having a lot of doors on a single family side, it's a lot of 1-year leases, a lot of tenants, termites, and toilets to deal with, a lot of property management headaches. And we found by transitioning or taking some of those, we like to use the monopoly analogy, those greenhouses and trading it in for the right hotel. So we started taking apart some of our portfolio and 1031ing them into a larger cash flowing asset in the commercial space. And it basically alleviates those short leases and the possibilities of tenants, termites, and toilets, and dealing with more of a corporation or business front that is a lot more stable. And you can project out a lot longer, 5, 7, 10, 15-year leases. And it's that to me helped subside the pressure she was feeling when we amassed our portfolio.